Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. In today's video guys, we're going to be installing a roof rack on Toyota Sienna. And the good thing about that guys, is that we didn't pay a lot for it. It's very affordable. It's just like the original roof rack for Toyota Sienna from 2011 to 2017, and we will show you guys how it works, how to install it, and how good that thing is actually. There is two kinds of Siennas, the one with the roof rails and the one without. In my opinion, 90% are with the roof rails. So this is the roof rack guys. It's unboxing video and installation video as well. We'll have the link below, so please check it out and you will see where we got it from, how much we paid. Okay, it's aluminum, lightweight. The whole roof rack is very lightweight. Okay, you can see it has a really sturdy profile. Okay, right there. It has two rails, one for the front, one for the back. This is the whole kit. So let's see what it comes with. Okay, we should have about 8 screws right here. Comes with a hex key, everything that you need to install it. So we're going to unpack that and continue. So you can see the arrows. Okay, they point towards the front. You have two left, two right ends, and it's super easy to attach those. All you have to do, okay, just push the rail like that, install 2 screws. Don't get them tight yet, in my opinion, because we'll need to see exactly how much length we need. Okay, so we can do that later to get them tight. And just install the second one. After that, we're going to do the same on the other one. Okay, this one right here. You can see how simple that thing is. On one side, they're fixed. So this right here, we can get them tight. And this is because they cannot move left and right. We can adjust it only from one side. So we did the same thing to the other one as well. Now we're going to install them on the car. How you do that? Okay, you can see you have a turning knob that you get loose on top. I recommend you can go a little bit more and you will come loose. You can come loose actually almost all the way. But it's easy to attach if that happens, and you'll be able to test. Okay, you can see like that, and if that happens you just start it. Okay, perfect, like that. So we can just move it if we need to. So let's go ahead and give it a try on that Toyota Sienna and see how it's going to look now. Okay, so once you get them loose you can turn them like that. Okay, and we're going to install them on the car. Okay, right here, it looks pretty good. Okay, all we have to do after that, turn this thing. Okay, it goes only one certain way, and you need to start getting this thing tight. Okay, you just turn it by hand. Don't use any special tools, pliers or anything like that. That's what we're doing on the other side as well. So once the roof rack is put together, it will take you like 5 minutes to install it on the vehicle. Okay, still getting tight here. Okay, that's quite tight. Okay, I can move the whole van just grabbing that thing. It doesn't move at all. The back side, okay, I just got it loose, so we'll have the same thing. Okay, this one there, you see, we need to get it loose a little bit so we can turn the bottom part. Okay, now we just slide it wherever we need to slide it usually. And once you're done guys, okay, you can actually get those things tight, okay, with the hex key right now. Or what you can do, you can actually remove it and get them tight as well. So it's up to you, but you need to just make sure that it fits good. Okay, let me get this one tight one more time. Okay, this is tight. Make sure everything's tight. You have to make sure you don't have play here. Okay, on this side there as well, you can see it needs to fit really good. And I'm gonna go ahead, okay, check it out now. I'm gonna go ahead and shake the whole van for that thing, it doesn't move. So pretty good deal, definitely recommend it. Thank you for watching, see you guys next time.